Coba record.
Ada kan
Asik.
suaranya?
Ada.
Oke. Ih, malu Ri, gue gimana mulainya ya?
Ya udah nggak apa-apa.
Oke. Good evening. Good night, Kirei.
Ya, good night. Good evening.
So, actually, Kirei is my friend from high school, guys. Langsung
Ya,
aja.
hello everybody.
Langsung aja ya. Oke. So, question number one. What's your name and what do you do for a living?
Okay, hello everyone. My name is Kirei Bella Villa. You can also call me Kirei. Personally, I work as a cashier ambassador at a retail company.
Okay. That's it. So,
That's it.
question number
Suara motor. Kedengeran nggak tuh? Is
Okay.
it okay? Should
Is it-
we
okay,
start over?
totally fine. Okay, question number two. When did you start working?
I start work right after high school. So a few
Right.
months after I graduate from high school, I started working.
Okay. That's it, the answer.
Yeah.
Next question number three. So, why did you choose to work instead of going to university?
Because I am the breadwinner of my family. I help my parents paying tuition for my little brothers.
Okay.
Yeah.
Totally great, sumpah. Keren. Apa teh? Aduh, kenapa sebut apa? Okay. Okay, next question. Question number four. So, what was it hard decision to make?
Of course it is. Not because I doubt myself, because I knew that what I have to give up
Hmm.
for if I have to work. That's it. That's why it's hard. I cannot go to college. That's a little hard for me.
So, actually, this is your first time living, right? So it's
Yeah,
totally
but yeah, it's okay.
totally fine.
At first it's hard, but then I'm fine
Yeah, you
anyway.
enjoy it, right?
Right. I got
Okay.
money.
So next question number five. How did your family react to your decision?
They accepted. They support me, of course. Yeah. I think maybe they also hope things would be easy for me.
Hmm.
But turns out life's not always giving you what you want.
Yeah,
Yeah,
right,
it's
right.
okay.
Okay, nomor berapa nih?
Nomor 6.
Question number six. What kind of job are you doing now? Like the answer is number one.
So as a cashier ambassador, my main job is to be the role model, of course, for the cashier in my company. Every day I visit different store to check on the cashier, to see how things are running. Like I also help them solving their problems at work, give them support. Yeah, I think that's it.
I think it's not easy, right?
No, it's a little bit hard, but it's not that hard actually.
Okay.
I still can keep up.
Okay. So next question, number seven. What what's your daily routine like at work?
Yeah. As I said before, I wake up, I commute, I go to work, then I visit stores, and then I observe the cashier, how they work, and then I write the reports. And then I deal whatever that needs fixing. I also uh give them solution to their problem, evaluate their work. That's it.
So, are you enjoy about your job right now?
I totally enjoy it because I think it's easy, right?
Mm-hmm.
I don't have
I know.
too much pressure with this job. I mean, my job was just to control how people work
Yeah,
gitu.
I feel it.
Gitu.
I feel it.
Yeah.
So, next question. Question number 9. What's the
Okay.
biggest challenge in your current job right now?
Apa? Maybe
It's okay, it's okay.
maybe the fact that I am the role model.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I have to represent my best version of myself no matter the situation.
But I saw you in Instagram, like you also being duta teh apa dari bahasa Inggris?
The ambassador.
Ambassador, ya dia ambassador. Like so cool, bro. Anjing.
Oh,
Boleh
is
pakai
it
anjay
cool?
nggak sih?
Yeah. Going what aja.
Oke, next question aja ya.
Yeah. Next.
Question number 10. Do you ever feel pressure or stress from work? And how do you handle it?
There's always challenge. Yeah. Yeah. There's always a challenge. Uh, and how I deal with macam ih, kenapa sih yang kesenggol? And how I deal with hard situation is I write, I read. I think that's it.
So, next question. Question number 11. How you ever regret not going to college? Like why or why not?
Sometimes I actually not. I actually just postpone. I actually gap year anjir. Gimana sih bahasanya? Ini gak apa-apa.
Oh,
Ntar lu cut apa gimana dah?
gua cut. So you take
Oh,
a gap
iya.
year. Yeah. You take gap year. Iya nggak sih, Rey? Kayak gitu, Rey, ngomongnya gue nggak ngerti anjing. Ah,
I'm taking a gap year. Jadi so when I graduate from high school, I decide to work and taking a gap year to earn. I work to help my parents paying tuition for my brothers and also to earn money for college. So this year I'll be going to college.
Wih, keren. So, next
Yeah.
question. What's something valuable
Hmm.
you've learned from working directly after high school?
Apa dah?
What's something valuable you've learned from working directly after high school?
I think that the world doesn't wait you to be ready, so you have to be prepared for everything.
I I agree. Anjay. So next question. Do you think experience is more important than a degree?
No, of course, both experience and degree are matter, but experience taught me how to think, how to think on my feet and stay grounded. Yeah, life has been my teacher these years.
Okay, that's it. So next question. What are your future career goals?
I actually wants to do work that feels like me. I want to write, travel. Maybe I'm gonna work in the airlines industry so that I can travel.
Kan harus berhijab, Rey.
Kan ada Saudi Airlines.
Oh iya, pinter-pinter. So, next question. Do you plan to continue working in the same field or trying something new? Like you
Of
change
course, I
your
prefer something new. I prefer something new. I mean, retail has trained me well. I learned a lot in retail, but I think I need more. I like to try something more.
next question is, have you ever felt judged for not going to university? Like how did you deal it with that?
I never heard someone talking about me not going to college actually, but if there's someone make assumption about me, I think I don't care. Well, that's his life. What should I do?
Like life must go on, gak sih?
Yes, life must go on.
So, next question. What advice would you give to someone who's unsure whether to work or study after high school?
Uh, I think it's important to be honest with your situation and your capacity, your ability also. Don't follow trends, don't follow what you want, but follow what your life needs. What your life needs right now, it must be aligned with what you are doing right now.
Okay. Okay, next question. Aduh, gue bingung ini jawaban lu tuh gimana ya? So,
Apa aja?
next,
Santai aja nggak sih?
next question. Do you ever think about taking short courses or training to improve your skill?
Yes, I always learn something to sharpen my tools like TOEFL, etc.
That's it?
Yeah.
Okay, so next question. What's one thing you wish people understood better about people why choose to work early?
That choosing to work early is actually not a choice, it's a sacrifice.
Yeah,
So I hope people would understand.
but people always judging like why you choose to work. Some actually my friends like from SMP teh apa teh, Re?
Junior high.
Yeah, junior high school. Like they always asking me like when you go to university, like am I wrong if I worked early after high school? Like why?
I think it's not a bad thing that we start early. I mean, when people graduates from university, looking for a job. Well, I have mine.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, true, true. So, next question. How do you manage your work-life balance?
I think by creating small moments that I like. I always spare time to do something I love, like writing, watch movie, reading, or hang out with my friends. I think that's important.
That's it.
Don't let work consume who you are.
Anjay. The next question is, what motivates you to keep going when work get tough?
My family and the life that I want and the girl I used to be.
Dah,
Yeah.
that's it.
Yeah.
Next question. What's one proud moment you've had in your job so far?
Uh, to be trusted, to have such responsibility, being a cashier ambassador is a huge responsibility, and not everyone was chosen. So it was the biggest proud moment I've ever had in my work job.
Oh. Do you think working early help you grow faster as a person?
Yes.
Why?
I mean, working early force you to grow up. Lalu gue bingung mau ngomong apa, Tor?
Gak apa-apa, gua cut kok nanti.
Ya. Iya, working early force you to grow up. So I've experienced
Loh.
bingung aja tuh ngomong apa ya gue. Terlalu gue pikir dulu jawabannya. Apa ya, Tor? Anjing. Bingung gak sih? Apa tadi Tor jawab pertanyaannya?
Apa tadi? Yang mana sih? Oh, ini.
Yang force you ya?
Yeah. Do you think working early help you grow faster as a person?
Tadi gue bilang apa? Iya. Working early force you to grow up. When people my age still figuring out their life, I already have apa?
You have it like,
Yeah, I've already have the job. I have already routine. So yeah, it helped me grow faster than any kid in my age. It mature me. It gives me a lesson on how to solve problem, on how to deal with stress, on how to work under pressure. When my kid, when the kids my age didn't know to, I already know how to deal with anything in work.
so,
Experience gives you better lesson.
okay, next question, yeah. If you could back in time, would you still make the same choice?
Yes. A
Why?
million times over, yes. Because even though it's not always easy, but it has given me so much lesson that I can trade with anything in life. I have so much precious lesson from everything I've been through, and it's so much important than just going to college.
In Indonesia, we said pelajaran hidup.
Yes.
Apa tuh? Bahasa Inggrisnya gue nggak ngerti lah.
Life lesson.
Ah, ya, life lesson. So, this is the last question I asked to Kirei.
Yes.
So, berarti, it 25 ya. 25 question
Yeah.
for Kirei. And this is the last thing. So, what's your biggest hope for the next 5 years of your life?
I hope I can graduate from
Amin.
college on
Amin.
time.
Yeah.
I hope I can have my dream job. I hope I can travel, I can write, and I can take my family abroad.
Oke. Tapi sekarang lu udah kuliah belum sih, Rey? Tadi lu di Inggris dulu bentar. Tapi udah
Oh
kuliah
ya.
belum sih lu?
Eh bulan ini Agustus mulainya.
Di UT.
Kan gue tahun ini. Ya dari enggak di swasta ada di Bogor. Lu
Oh,
di mana sih Unpam ya?
iya Unpam. Tadi lu,
Lu
ulang. Jawabannya ulang.
ya ya.
Oke. So, but have you start college yet?
No, I haven't started college yet. I'll be starting college by August.
What major you take?
Management.
Management.
Yes.
Ya jadi itu, Rey. Apa, sastra Inggris. Iya gak sih?
Enggak, nggak jadi editor. Lu apa sih komunikasi ya?
Iya, komunikasi gue. Apalagi ya, gue mau
Kenapa
nanyain ke
sih?
lu ya. Aduh, bingung gue.
Apa?
Lu katanya mau nanya sama gua masalah turis kemarin. Itu turis anjir.
Bohong ya?
Anjir beneran deh. So, Kirei in WhatsApp asking me about uh
The guy you post on your Insta stories.
sorry. No, he's tourist. Nih, dia tuh turis. Mana kelihatan nggak? Pokoknya kelihatan gak sih?
Terus lu jadi apa sih tour guide-nya?
Enggak. eh Dia itu turis,
Kelihatan,
ada
kelihatan.
ada ada tour guide-nya sendiri. Mana sih? Kelihatan gak sih? Anjing. Ini dari
Ya kelihatan
Jepang.
kok.
No,
Oh
dari
jadi lu ini, jadi lu, oh,
yang mana anjing? Ini gelap banget, Pak.
jadi lu wawancara juga.
Iya, wawancara juga, tapi ini yang versi turisnya. Jadi, my lecturer give me five target. No, yeah, five target like conversation with foreigner or tourists through and friend from class, terus like this conversation with
Ya,
friends. Gitu. So I choose you.
oke, oke. Thank you for choosing me. Terus yang ngajak lu jadi simpanan siapa ya?
Itu beda lagi sumpah, Rey. Anjir, itu gue nggak, ih, anjir banget. Dia tuh pakai nama palsu. Gue kan kalau penasaran,
Itu
gue
kan
kalau
lagi,
kepo kan kepo banget kan. Akhirnya gue
iya,
iniin, gue ngecek di Google kayak dia siapa nih namanya, fotonya dia. Ternyata tuh
heeh.
namanya bukan namanya kan kalau di lain tuh Edwin. Ternyata bukan Edwin. Samuel, anjir
Apa?
dia punya anak. Ih gila kata gue teh. Terus gue
Ih,
bilang gini,
sumpah ih gue.
sebelum sebelum gue blok dia, gue bilang gini, daripada daripada gue jadi simpanan lu, mendingan lu kasih loker ke gue dah. Gue gituin anjir. Terusnya, ih, dia ngomong kayak, nanti kamu aku kasih uang bulanan. Terus job desk-nya apa aja? Gue tanya gitu kan. HS, tolol. Ih, gue nggak mau. Geli. Terus, oh ya Allah, trauma banget. Ya, mati. Ya, aku mati.